How far you find it?
When we go over there,
Yeah.
first the girl over there said Tanya at them boss say, if me find it, but about say I show me well one 500 make me go for ball and me tell her say, me never know say 500 do for ball. I go over there. I go over there. You see if me see road going in the bush, and when him going in the maca, he say ow and run come out there, ow and run come out there so back. Right, so you see the tree there right there so. And then I walk around and grow and take up the ball.
Oh, so him see it.
I miss it.
Are you see it first?
I miss it.
I'm cool with the free now.
What go on now? Right, and the argument done. You should make them play rock paper scissors, make you hard up on them.
No, remember saying a football, you know. A man help a man score a goal. So help him find the ball.
You kind of. So you not split the money then? Two bit for two.
I'm at 250 because I don't even know how to tell you I get 5 bills to find ball. I wouldn't put up that there. I wouldn't find
Which one? That one?
To
That
all
one?
viewers and subscribers, do remember to like this video and leave a comment. Yeah. Welcome back to another video, my viewers and subscribers. We're outside again and we're cooking some soup at a football match, as you can see in the title. Look more from this a ball game. Side them I go check in and do them thing. Right now just stay at the ball field. I go and put in 2 pieces of rat. Yes, so we have to use this stone and thing. So I done me have to go wash them off back again because you see stone kinda dirty them up, you know. So I don't wash them, give them a next wash off. So yeah, just stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. So right about now I'm just getting the chicken foot washed to go in the pot. Because I done cut off the 2 of them and thing already. So just get chicken foot them washed and then get them in the pot. Don't know, so you have to make sure you say them clean and active going in the pot. Alright, so I go ahead and get in some coconut milk. Yeah man, me don't blend up the coconut here at home. So yeah man, get in some coconut milk and thing. Yeah. I go and season up a pot, you know, so yeah, just stay tuned. Now we see what I go on. Alright, so I go ahead and get in the chicken foot them. Yeah man, stir it up and thing. That one cook up. Yeah. Yeah man, so we get season for the soup, you know. Yeah man, I get the carrot scrape and then we cut them up. It's all about the loaded procedure, you know. You just scrape off the carrot them. Alright, so basically me I just cut them up and then I wash them off. Get the thing organized, you know. Outside. So peel. Oh, this how again. What do you call this? Only comment with this name. I'm gonna Irish. Oh, Irish. Peel Irish, you know? Irish peel, you know? Don't know. You feel like Irish in the pot too. Don't know. The pot over there so I go and bubble up, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So active up a pot, you know. Don't know, I mean, it's quick and fast, you know. Quick and fast, you know. Quick and fast. Yeah, so I put it up in another water because don't know, say I go wash it. Wash off everything when I'm done, you know. So I get them cut up small. I'm gonna get them cut small Going on iPod, you know. Yeah, loaded procedures. Yeah, they may go last in iPod anyway, take it, you know. My last in iPod, man. Take me over next one. Next one. Yeah, I'll just stay tuned. Then I'll finish up with the season them. Don't know, say. Them are going iPad. Yeah, man. And do remember to like the video and share it out. Yeah, man, that is it for now. Yeah, so I get some pumpkin cut up you know. Yeah, man. Remember, as I say, I cut up everything and then wash them off. Don't put in some string bean. Cut up some string bean and I it ready to, you know. So I wash off everything and I do everything. Yeah, man. But pumpkin, this me I line up the pumpkin. Then just wash off everything. Get them in the pot. Yeah, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Youths, them are going, wow, I'm Marco. Yes, Marco, I go on with himself. Loaded procedure, you know. Get them a wash off. Get everything washed, you know. Yeah, man. Everything I get washed off, you know. In my pot. Alright. Get them in my pot, you know. So, pumpkin, garlic, string bean. I don't know. Irish. All of them me I get in my pot, you know. Yeah, man. Pot of nice, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get in all of them. Yeah. Yeah, just stay tuned in on my peeps. You don't know. What if you a bubble? So I go ahead and get some scallion clean up and get that in. So y'all just stay tuned for that, you know. The scallion clean up one thing. Yeah, man. I get this in the pot. Alright, so scallion I clean up, you know. So just need to wash them out now. And crush them in the pot, you know. Alright, so I get the scallion and wash off now. As I say, I just crush them in. Just like that, you know. So you deal with it. That is it for now. Stir it up. I get piece of yellow yam. Man, how you laugh for? Yeah, video personal I laugh after me, you know, but you don't know. Peel up yellow yam, you know. Yeah. Soup. I don't think you're supposed to cook soup without yellow yam in it. Yeah, man, yellow yam off in a soup. When you have yellow yam in your soup nah send nothing me I tell you. Yeah, man. So I get it peel and then wash it off and cut it up. Get it in the pot. Yeah, man. Stone me have to use the cutting board, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know when you make them type of soup, you know, you're supposed to cut your yam small, short, cut it in some little cubes, but you don't know true. I mean, I deal with it, and me can cut it that way. I just cut it up as best as possible. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, your food have to well clean, you know, when you cook soup. Yeah, man. Make sure it's food peel properly and thing, you know. As me I say, cut up your yam small. Yeah, man. Very small, you know. But some big, some small, I go on and say, you know. Up on the table. Yeah, man, put up your yam small and thing. Watch out for your yellow yam, you know. Yeah, man, see? So I cut off little pieces of the black them with the pony and get them in my pot. Yeah, man, as I say, everything I feel well active. Yeah, man. Get them in my pot, yeah, man. What I start boil up back yet still, but don't know. It's getting there. Yeah, man. Big pot of soup. Alright, so I get me and wash and ready. Come on, wash and ready. Alright, so I get in flour now. But no, need to put the flour for going in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Make some dumpling for going in the pot, you know. Yeah. Peanuts for days me I gonna make, you know. Huh? Yeah. But the size here to rent out, you know. 2 grand for rent that one there. Yes. Yeah. So I go on there now. I say you. Alright, so get some peanuts there now. Remember, I'm not a chef. Yeah. I get in some peanuts, you know. Yeah. Just come in with your money, man, and thing. When thing, take your money where you have, you wear it, and make it pay on your PRS. I really lost line of water. You see me, I'm mostly, you know. I'll make a market with berry, you know. I got a market with berry one of them there, man. I got a market with berry one idea them on video. You know what? No call nobody. Me hot in a market, you know. Yo, me got roadside market. Captain Bakery, so. And me I tell you, say, me start make nice. Peanuts for days. Soup we are cooking, so you don't know. Peanuts. Just roll them up, you know. Just roll them up. small, you know. Nice up pot, you don't know. Youths, them are going, what? I'm Marco. Yes, Marco, I go on with himself. Just stir it up, you know. Dumpling them gone in a pot, you know, so. So go and stir it up and thing, you know. Soon give pot a one taste and see how I go and feel. Yeah. Show them my dumpling them. Alright, so may I get the noodle ready up. This hour. We're spunking. Alright. Take the next one. And I think never cock soup. Yeah. Grace cock soup. So I go in with 3 noodles, you know. Alright. So I get some water and mix it out. Because I don't want it to get sticky in my pot, so just mix it out. Get out the lump them and thing and then get in my pot. Alright. Let's get this in my pot now. So I make this go and cook up and thing, you know. Feel like put in the next one, you know. So we have to take bad thing and joke to home, but like it was so bad that shit. Hold on, let me see if this is a record. Yo, I want to mouth go on the pot still, you know. On the mouth, brother. On the mouth. Bring on the fire.
Okay.
We have the fire.
You up in there, sir. Oh, that you want? That for 5 grand. Yeah. Kaya add for me, father. Man, I get excited, but guess what? A goal and a score, though. A goal and a score.
Yo, run up them. See, now watch it go you ball. Ball.
Alright, so there you have it. Just a few highlights from the football game. So now we just a clean up and thing. Yeah, man.
Hey, look, come on. Oh, fire. Dog, you look like a just wake up, brother.
So much
I'm fine for it. Look at some box in the face.
Where's it going?
Look where you are.
Something know me I do.
What shot you want?
I feel like a little boy do this.
No man.
And then big on you.
Yo, the kids are that.
Yeah, we kids so.
Yo, you pick up prison.
Hey, how you find the ball?
When we go over there,
Yeah.
first the girl over there, Tanya, at them bossy. If me find it, but about say I show me well one 500 yard, make me go for ball. I'm tell her say, me never know say 500 yard go for ball. I'm go over there. You see, if me see run go in that bush, and when he go in that maca, he say, "Ow, and run, come out there so back." Right, so you see the tree there right there so. And then I walk around and grow and take up the ball.
Oh, so him see it. And you see it first.
I'm going with the free now.
What go on now? Right, and the argument done. You should make them play rock paper scissors, make it hard upon them.
No, remember saying a football, you know. A man help a man score a goal. So help him find the ball.
You kind of. So you not split the money then? Two bit for two.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm going to
At 250, I get because I not even know how to tell you I get 5 bills different, but I wouldn't put up that there. I wouldn't tell him I get 5 bills.
Which one? That one, So go for pay for him, no? If I'm. Come.
Tell them that. I will tell them to I get 5 bills. Next month you are paying 250. And you tell them 5. You are paying 250 too. Yeah, you want 250 and you want.
Hey.
Come small one.
You don't say nothing. You have said. Oh, you should take it back and make it.
Father, what is my love? I do. This big you. Yeah. You give him 250. You got to tell them for.
Come on, just the ball and this man take the ball from me.
Father, go give him money. Father, go give him money.
You fight.
Yes, you fight, man. Alright, see, my boy has said 250. No, he get free money already. I just him not get free.
Come on, Ty Road. Fall on the grass. Fall on the grass. First man for tap out. Boom!
Man. Man.
No, that one.
A B boxer does. Talk about. What call him about here this so?
You call him on a chat better than a hello.
And we heading home now, man.
Bless God for that day there, see me?
Oh, that drop down.
Alright, brother. Poor soul.
Thanks for watching this video until the end. So team winners came in second place. They got the silver medals and the orange base side. You don't know them win the match overall. Them be team winners in them hometown. So do remember to give this video a like. If you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing to this channel. Big up and bless up every time. I'm out.